if any subject is difficult for you, split into topics. Each and every day I used to study small topic. Practice is the only key, and enjoy your preparation.
Hello students, welcome to the next episode of BYJU'S Exam Prep Spotlight, and today you are going to listen to the preparation journey, the hard work, the every story behind Uday Kumar. Yes, he is All India rank 17 from Electronics and Communication Engineering in this GATE 2023 examination. So Uday, congratulations from the entire team of BYJU'S for this big success of yours, and welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir.
So Uday, before we start off any of your preparation journey, I would like you to give your introduction. Where do you come from? What are you doing these days, and etc.
Basically, I am from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, sir. So I completed my graduation in IIIT RK Valley, which is local IIIT only.
Okay.
After that, I gave a GATE in 2020. I got All India rank of 130. Then I have joined in NTPC. Since then, I am working in NTPC, sir.
Okay.
This year, I have given GATE again. So I got All India rank of 17 in Electronics and Communication Department.
All right, great. So what are your marks at this rank this year?
74, sir.
74 out of 100. So great. So my first question is, as you mentioned, you have got All India rank 130 in 2020, and then you got NTPC, and I think you have been enjoying also working at NTPC.
Yes.
So what was the driving force? Why you wanted to give GATE again? What Uday is looking into the future? First of all, let me have a knowledge about that.
Basically, I want to get into research field, sir.
Okay.
In communication department.
Okay.
So I want to give into, I cannot do MTech again because I have been working already.
All
so
right.
I want to get into research fields, so that's why I gave GATE again. I think GATE would be better option.
Yes. Research. Even you can go to research organizations, maybe like DRDO or something.
Yes,
or
DRDO,
if
BARC.
required, you can go for even PhD courses. Depends.
Yes,
So once
depends.
you have the GATE score, you have lots of opportunities.
Yes.
So great, Uday. So now I can say that you have got 2 successes in GATE, one in 2020, one in 2023. So you must be very well aware how this examination is, and I think your words, your experience is going to help a lot of students, preparing for GATE 2024 or 2025. So Uday, let us start with, one thing very important for GATE. Okay, is it a formula-based exam? Is it a concept-based exam? How do you prepare the fundamentals? What exactly is this exam? Please describe it to the students.
But it is actually conceptual based exam. Problem solving is a major skill you need to develop in this exam, sir.
Okay.
So with the problem solving, you can easily crack, sir. With basics, problem solving along with basics.
So along with this basics, as you're mentioning, it is conceptual. So how Uday build his concepts? What was his approach and etc.
So when I was studying in 2020, I used to read textbooks also, sir.
Okay.
So from there, I have developed my
So
basics.
your basic source was textbook.
Textbooks.
And the practice area.
Practice area, the materials and YouTube videos, grade up YouTube videos.
Okay.
So I used to follow regularly, sir. Grade up means
so
BYJU'S video.
Right. So how important this practice is?
Practice is the main, sir. Practice is the main thing in the preparation. With the theory, we cannot do anything, sir. Without practice, we cannot do anything.
Yeah, any competitive exam, and be it like especially GATE, okay, you have learned concepts, you have gone through all derivations, but the accuracy, the speed will only come once you practice more and more questions.
Exactly.
So in this practice, you included previous year questions also?
Yes, sir. In revision, I have included previous year questions.
So how previous year questions helped you?
Yes, previous year question helped me a lot, sir, because the pattern will get we'll get 40 to 50 marks, same pattern again.
Right.
The 50 marks is new questions.
Okay.
The 40 to 50 marks is same pattern. So
yeah, exactly. Same type of questions. Not exactly word to word copy, but same ideology, same concepts can be copied. Yeah. So
we'll get an idea, sir.
You get an idea. Exactly. And you also get an idea, the same IITs and ISC have been making the papers for the past so many years. So if you are comfortable in those questions, so why you will not be comfortable? So that gives a confidence while going into the exam hall, I believe.
Yes. Sir.
So any difficulties faced by Uday during preparation, any particular subjects or anything that troubled you?
Troubled me? Digital communication, sir. It is tougher, most of the students.
Yes.
So in digital communication, I used to, first of all, I used to follow lectures. I started watching NPTEL lectures. After that, I stopped it because those were lengthy. So then I started solving PYQs. Because if I know the concept behind PYQs, then I can I can solve half of the questions in GATE.
Yes, correct.
So I solved PYQs, then along with some YouTube videos.
So that means there you had slight difficulty in digital communication, but you didn't want to give up on that. I mean, there are several students who will just give up 1 or 2 subjects, but even if you give up 1 or 2 subjects, you cannot be a top ranker, at least like rank 17 or any rank under 50 or 100 becomes difficult if you compromise with the syllabus mostly. So yes. Uday did not leave it. Uday, at least somehow managed it, PYQs, YouTube, and somehow you managed it. And yes. Maybe then how you performed in digital communication in GATE 23?
Satisfactory performance.
Satisfactory. That's what. At least it is much better than not scoring at all. Because if you don't study, you don't even see the question. You just leave it up. But you have been satisfied yourself. Okay, so great. And that is what each and every marks contribute, and you come to 74. It is just not like that. Right.
Each and every mark counts.
Correct. So apart from your success story, one question out of the mind I'm getting, and students will be more curious to know about that, since you have been working in NTPC. So, what exactly your designation is at NTPC?
Executive Engineer.
Executive Engineer. And you are working since?
2020.
2020. All right. So, almost 2 years, or little more than that, I can say you have done. So, what exactly your roles and responsibility? What do you handle?
Sir, in NTPC, we are in main plant operations, sir. Okay. We generate power.
Okay.
So, most of the students don't know. I think mechanical students know. And it means power plant means, thermal power plant means boiler and turbine.
Right.
So we see both boiler and turbine.
So you are enjoying the work there?
Yes, sir. I'm enjoying the work there.
So is it a lot of pressure, or is it cool and calm, composed?
No pressure.
No pressure.
When you are junior, you will not have any pressure.
Great.
Seniors will support you a lot, because my seniors, they're very supportive.
So which center, which plant you are working into right now? What is your working location right now?
Assam, Bongaigaon.
Okay, so great. So, you have regular shifts, or you're working in different shifts, because usually plant-based operations are shift-based.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your work atmosphere personally?
Shift.
Okay, so what timing of shift?
So, we have 3 shifts, sir. Morning shift, evening shift, and night shift.
Okay.
So, morning shifts are from morning 7 to afternoon 2.
Okay.
2 days continuously. Okay. So, then next 2 days is evening shift, sir. 2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Right.
Next 2 days is night shifts, sir. 10 p.m. to 7 a.m.
Okay.
So next 2 days, sir, one day is off and other day is general. Mostly online classes will be there.
Okay. So total 8 days Spain.
8
repeated.
Yes,
okay.
We have 8 days per week.
So you get 1 day complete off and 1 day just some online lectures, general work.
Yes, sir. 1 or 2 hours.
Right. So initially you might have had little difficulty, shifting once, and that too in the same week. Once you are starting at 7 a.m. Then you are after 2 days, you're starting at 2 p.m. Then you are starting your work at 10 p.m. So how difficult it was in the beginning?
Yes, sir. It was too difficult in the beginning.
Right.
So I took 3-4 months to get adjusted with that.
But then now it is all okay?
It's fine, sir.
It's fine. Yeah, actually, human brains can be trained and adjusted into everything. We just have to be patient sometimes. Maybe first, second, even 1-2 months will be difficult, but slowly you will get that adaptability.
Yes.
Right. So how seniors are, any boss type of thing, you feel pressure or
no,
something like that,
no.
or supportive, making you learn?
Yes, sir. Everyone is supportive only, sir.
Okay.
No pressure. You will not have any pressure if you are a junior.
Right.
So they'll teach you, they'll guide you, they'll motivate you.
So you went, to NTPC after clearing the GATE exam in 2020, after getting a rank. So, whatever concepts you learned in GATE or in engineering, how they will helpful in NTPC, or you had to learn something new in NTPC?
So basically NTPC, I am from electronics engineer, sir.
Okay.
So, but there is a department called C&I, but initially all GETs, they are posting in this one, sir, the operation departments.
Okay.
So maybe after 5-6 years, I will get an C&I department.
Okay.
So till then, I have to work in operation department only.
Right. So, we're looking into work culture and as well as the shift operations you're mentioning. Is it possible to get your own personal space for enjoyment and personal life, personal works? You are able to balance out there?
After 8 hours, nobody will call you.
That is great. So
that 16 hours is completely yours only.
Correct.
You can do whatever you want to do.
Yeah. So you can have food, sleep, go out, watch movies, play cricket, anything.
That is completely yours.
Right. So how is the bonding? Apart from the working 8 hours, how is the bonding between the employees, between your colleagues? Do you have a bonding between yourselves?
Yes.
Do you go out often?
Yes,
do you play something?
Yes, sir. I play cricket also.
Great.
I play cricket. And that sports is the biggest stress relief, sir.
Yes. So you are staying at NTPC quarters?
And, yes, sir.
So it is quarter or hostel right now?
Quarters, sir.
Quarters.
I'm staying in quarters.
So how is the stay and fooding options?
NTPC, sir. But stay is NTPC will give you the stay, sir. But
Right.
food we have to arrange.
Achha, food you have to arrange.
Mm.
So in and all, because the students are watching this success story, but why they're watching this success story? Because they want to be successful in the GATE examination, and many of the students have that PSUs in the mind to be successful. So what do you suggest, for them, ki NTPC, whether they should join or not if they get the GATE rank?
Yes, sir. They can definitely join, sir.
Right.
NTPC is good organization. It is a Maharatna, sir.
Yeah,
Maharatna
definitely.
company.
Correct. So you get the pay scale, you get all the
Yes, sir.
benefits also.
You will get a handsome amount.
Ah.
With,
I think that is going to be a big motivation.
with very good allowances.
Right. So definitely students, and that is why I've spoken especially to Uday regarding this NTPC, because students, why we conduct these sessions, why we conduct the spotlight is just to motivate you and also to make you tune to the toppers, how they prepared. Okay, maybe one or two guidance you can take from them and apply in your preparation strategy. Maybe you can listen to their motivation. He's working in NTPC. Someday you want to work in NTPC or any other PSUs. How the life is, how fancy it is going to be. Because once we have that aspirations in mind, hard work will come by that. Right.
Yes.
So, Uday, coming back to the preparation story again. So, what was your approach for test? I mean, you focused on mock test, full length mock test, or subject test, or topic test?
Sir, I gave mostly subject tests or topic tests, sir.
Okay.
I gave four mock tests only because of time constraint. I could not give more. I used to focus more on topic test and subject test only.
Okay. So subject test and topic test. So how many mocks you gave less, but still any idea? 4 or 5. But at least you gone through some mock tests,
Yes,
not
sir.
like neglecting it.
No, 4.
Right. So what do you learn from the mock test exactly?
Time management.
Time management. Right. Actually, how that 3 hours you have to
Yes.
balance. What is your strong area, whether it is technical or aptitude, where to start off first. So many things you learn from. Okay. Sometimes not able to finish the paper on time. That skills will be coming, right?
That initial 10-15 minutes is the most important time.
Correct. Yeah.
You need to build up the confidence in that
Yes.
10-15 minutes.
And that should be a strong zone that you pick up.
Yes.
Initial momentum will decide the entire, I think, the 3 hours,
Yes,
how you are
yes.
going to behave and how you are going to be composed. Okay. So, in your preparation journey, be it related to concepts or practice, how BYJU'S exam prep helped you in this success of your GATE?
I have enrolled for BYJU'S test series, sir.
Okay.
So I have given continuously
Continuous.
test series. Then this question series in YouTube
Right.
that has helped me. Especially, I should thank you, sir, for aptitude lecture. That helped me a lot. I have not prepared anything other than that aptitude
Yeah,
video.
that is why, last month we keep those marathons, aptitude, and as well as technical marathons, so that,
Technical marathon.
those students looking for quick preparation, they get a help, right? And you mentioned questions. So which series of question do you remember you followed on YouTube?
Super 50 expected questions.
Okay. Yeah. So that is what, because especially in the last 2-3 months, we also try to align the students more with the question practice.
Questions,
Right
yes.
now, we are putting up fundamentals like GATE 24 series going on. The students are listening to the GATE fundamentals. Last 2-3 months is not about fundamentals. It is about practice.
Yes.
So accordingly, as per the need of students, we try to help. And glad to know that, those series are reaching to the students and helping the students to get. So great to know, Uday Kumar. Now, I would like you have seen the GATE completely and you have spoken about concepts, practice and so many things. What is your full and final advice to any aspirant? What are the 3 or 4 important aspects of this examination they should definitely follow while preparing for this examination?
So first I would suggest them to follow basics. Basics, then problem solvings. There will be some tough days, tough topics you will have to face. So then take a break. How many days you want? You can take any, means the time is yours. So then restart again. Take a break. If any subject is difficult for you, split into topics. Suppose when I was preparing 2020 GATE, I studied communication for 120 days, means almost 4 months. Each and every day I used to study small topic. Because that small things, small steps can make a big difference. So then practice is the only key, and enjoy your preparation.
Right. So, I was listening deeply to you. So 5 takeaways from your story that students can have. Number 1, focus number 1 on basics. That is the important thing. But then after basics, immediately jump to practice, because any competitive exam, practice is the key. Number 3, if I talk about is, there will be tough times, there will be good times, but never give up. Okay, and you can take your own space, as they mentioned, you can take a break for 1 or 2 days, but then restart rather than giving up totally.
Yes.
Number 4th important point is never giving up on your difficulty level. Like he faced difficulty in communication. Okay, rather than giving up, he divided his communication. Interesting to know, divided the communication subject for 4 months, 120 days, and each and every day studying small topics. Because whenever it is true, whenever we face a difficulty in subject, we can't sit for long hours.
Yes.
Okay, so unnecessarily we are sitting in front of wood, but we are not able to concentrate and we are wasting the time. So rather, at least 30 minutes, 1 hour you can sit. Even if it is difficult subject, kuch to pad loge, something you will learn, right? Okay, and that 1 hour for 120 days or 100 days will be so meaningful that you become really good or at least satisfactory in that subject. Yes. So that is the 4th takeaway. And number 5th, as I also always tell you, enjoy. Because unless and until you enjoy your journey, you're always going to feel pressurized. And if you study with the pressureful mind, you don't get the efficiency. To be efficient, enjoy. Okay, you have confidence on yourself. Just keep enjoying that. Problem solving is actually interesting. You prepare with entertainment and enjoyment, you will definitely be successful. So, great speaking with you, Uday Kumar. Thank you for giving very crucial importance. And these 5 takeaways can help a student a lot, I think. And even if they try to adopt to 1 or 2, I think their results can change. And I believe watching this spotlight, if even few students have a turning point in their career, maybe they are motivated for GATE, or maybe they were little disappointed, they are now motivated. Okay, they have them, important messages from this communication story. Anything if they learn from this video and get a good rank in GATE 24, I think we both are successful in conducting, and the entire team of BYJU'S is successful in conducting this spotlight. So thank you there for joining on the BYJU'S exam prep spotlight. And guys, this was the next episode. Today you have listened to All India Rank 17 GATE 2023 in Electronics and Communication. That is Uday Kumar. And also you have listened that how he's enjoying in NTPC. Listen to the NTPC talk also, so that you stay motivated during your preparation. That's it. With this, I, Rakesh Talreja, will sign off. Seeing you in another episode of BYJU'S Exam Prep Spotlight. Take care.